Yeah, we are live. Amazing. Do you feel the ecstasy, the energy? Remember, Marcus Body Coding Live, Ching, new footwork every day. And how does it go? You see, we do. No excuses. Are you ready? Let's see the new footwork for the day. Let's go. Let's go. Are you ready to do it together? No excuses. Switching. Looking at the ground. We can start with the left or with the right, doesn't matter. Let's start with the left. We start with the cross, step in place, open, step, cross, open to the side, open to the side. Now with the right. Cross, step in place, open, step in place, cross, open to the side, open to the side. Once again with the left. Cross, step in place, open, step in place, cross, open to the side, open. Once again with the right. Cross, step in place, cross, step in place, cross, open, open. Again. Cross, step, open, step, cross, open, open. Cross, step, open, step, cross, open, open. Once again. Cross, step, open, step, cross, open, open. Cross, step, open, step, cross, open, open. Now with the count. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. It can go something like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Doesn't matter the count. Amazing. I can't believe you stayed till now. Remember, this is Marcus Body Coding. We code universal steps. The name for that steps is cross 8. We start with cross 8 and then we did cross 6. If you remember. But what do you care? You have this video, you can go back, hit the replay button, ching, yeah, and practice again in today's party. And remember, since these are universal moves, you can use them in any kind of dance that you want. Hip-hop, bachata, salsa. By the way, on 1 or on 2. Because you can start with the right or with the left. Amazing. And you can do that even in Zumba and any other kind of dance that I don't even know the name of the dance. Wait, you still here? Amazing. Let's do another practice. Maybe you joined this live just now. So now imagine yourself staring in a mirror. Yeah, but don't work on your makeup. Yeah, no, we are practicing. Remember, new footwork every day. Let's go. Cross 8. Let's go. Starting with the left. Let's go. We cross, we step, we open, we step, we cross, open, open. Good. Cross, step, open, step, cross, open, open. Amazing. Cross, step, open, step, cross, step, step. Now with the right. Cross, step, open, step, cross, open, open. Faster. Bam, 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 bam. With the count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. It can be also 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7. Doesn't matter. 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7. Or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Amazing. Amazing. You still here? Whoa. I take it as a huge compliment. Thank you for keeping me company this amazing, lovely day. You see, there are other people practicing. something else. In the morning is the best time to practice. So I remind you, in today's party, if you want to do that move, you can use the phone just here in your pocket. Get it out, go to the corner, practice, ching, practice that move, go back to the party and show off that move. Yeah, why should you do it today? First, you don't have to, but why it's best for you to try it today? Because tomorrow I give you another footwork. Because remember, new footwork every day, every day. Amazing. So practice this move, do it in today's party. Remember, salsa, bachata, KIzomba, hip hop, whatever you want in salsa. On 1, on 2 works as well. Why? Because you can start with the right or with the left. Yeah, no matter if you do the lady step or the man step, you can do them both. Yeah, the same move, exactly. So until tomorrow, practice that move, okay? Practice that move. And you know what? You stay till now, I give you a bonus. I give you a bonus, a secret. You can practice with me that move with me in the studio for free. Yeah, for free. Amazing. How do you do that? Check the link above, below, to the sides. Yeah, and practice with me. Cross 8 or even cross 8 extended. Yeah, and until tomorrow, practice this move with this video or the other video, whatever you want to do. And meet with me here in the park tomorrow for a new footwork. See you tomorrow.